Alright, so today I'm going to be playing Mario Kart 64 on the Game Bird. This is a Keychain handheld. It has Super Nintendo-like button layout. So you have your 4 buttons, start, select, RL. But I find that Mario Kart actually runs really well and works pretty well with these controls. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. There we go. Yeah, that's just going to load up. Looks like I have plenty of battery life. It's got about a 3-hour battery life, so I've got plenty of time. Here we go. Let me pull that in a little closer. I find this game is one of the ones that runs the best by far. On the Game Bird, there's virtually no slowdowns at all. Even with a lot going on. I'm gonna pick Yoshi. I think I'm just gonna do the first level. Luigi Raceway. Okay, here we go. I'm actually looking at my phone screen, looking at the camera, looking at the Game Bird, so there's a very slight delay, but it's still very much playable for me. The controls just feel really nice. Actually handles pretty well, and I've got the C buttons mapped to these buttons on the right. So what would be the X and I believe it's the A. Oops. And the A button. Those map to C down and C left, I think. That's just for this game. You can map them on a per game basis. So I think for Perfect Dark I have a different setup. Oops. You kind of have to though, because with Perfect Dark you have the down on the D-pad on the Nintendo 64 controller to duck. Ducking is actually critical to the game at certain levels, like Chicago. But I'll probably do a playthrough of that game eventually on here. It runs surprisingly well, and I think that's because the architecture of the game is really well made. Whereas like GoldenEye does not run at all, even though it's a less technically sophisticated game. Yeah, I find all the Mario games run really, really well. It's kind of funny. Just very well designed games. Oh, that went pretty well. Nice. So, yeah. If you feel you gotta do some Mario Kart on the go, this is one way to do it. Cool. Alright, I think that's good for this video. Alright, thanks for watching.